I was really excited about coming to Charleston because although I'm not great at math or history, I knew that Charleston had a lot of history. Most African Americans can trace their ancestors through Charleston, even as high as about 80%. Another interesting fact, well, I don't know if I would call it a fact, but another interesting thing is Charleston is the home of the very first female serial killer. And for those of you who are into true crime like me, I thought that was really interesting. Fancy, fancy. We also get slippers, and there's a robe in the closet. Can't wait to get cozy. Okay. My flight was super easy because there was turbulence. It was like less than an hour flight, like 40 minutes maybe. They told us to stay in our seats. So we didn't even do service. It would have been a short service called express service anyway. So it wouldn't have been much service anyway. Now let me show you what I put in my lunchbox today. Yay! Obviously ramen. That's just a backup. Put it in the container so that it saves space. This is for like if I really want ramen. This is a pizza. It doesn't look good, but it's actually good. Target. It came with 2 little pizzas. I heated it up on the stove already. I have eggs and a black bean patty. I have more eggs. I have some sweet potato and black bean patty. I don't think I'm going to get food, but I definitely want drinks. I think I have chips too. Chips. Chips. This is so cute. Are you going, train? That is so cute. Here's another one on this way.
Or it's a slave market. But apparently, what they're called the Rainbow House. I like that. Historical context too, depending on who you ask.
Ooh, I like this. And this, ooh, I don't necessarily like that part, print. But I like this print.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
If you heard in the previous clip, I was being told about how there's big debate about this market and how many people think that slaves used to be sold here. If you want to look it up, you can do a little bit of research yourself. I found it very interesting, kind of dabbling and diving into the history of this area. Take a nap, watch TV, work, shop, party. Oh, party.
Famous thing here, that pineapple fountain. It's a little bit further down. We have to walk further down. It's up to you.
No, definitely. This is the spot. What?
Look.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I might have to do that one. It's gonna be that one.
Yeah?
Yeah. I love it. This is the city hall that used to be a beef market that burned down in 1796. It later became a bank, and then it became a town hall, which is the second oldest town hall in the United States. Okay, now everyone, brace yourselves for the most exciting part of my trip. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, puppy!
He wants to play so bad.
Oh my gosh. You're so cute. You don't even know how cute you are. Hi! Oh my gosh! Yeah! Hi, sweetie! Oh! You're so sweet. Oh, don't tell me that. I'm like, don't tell me that. You're so sweet. Hi, cutie. You're so. I love the houses. Right here. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love it. Waiting for the last flight of the day, having a little snack.